looking at how the court reacted and how the arguments were received, I think that it's a promising case, and that there should be a happy conclusion at the end of the hearing in this matter. But if that was accepted, then the court would not have interfered. So there's some doubt about the government saying this, that there is some doubt whether what the government is saying is right. But this is not final. This is only an interim order. This is only a temporary attitude that the court has exhibited. Now the government will have a right to come back and explain in greater detail. We will say from our point of view why the government is wrong and government is encroaching upon the rights of people's citizens and rights of people of a particular religion, etc. Then the court will take a final view.